Kia ora, good morning. It is Monday the 30th of September. I'm Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank. Markets in a minute, probably in a bit. Okay, the weekend, the major focus is really rumours that the US might employ a new form of screw tightening in their trade skirmish with China. Somewhat surprisingly, it's not actually more tariffs. They have been America's go-to, but it was reported over the weekend that the US are looking at preventing Chinese companies from listing on US exchanges. Maybe even delisting companies that are already there. So yeah, that rumour was pretty quickly refuted, and even the initial rumour sources, rumour mongers, people leaking the information initially, they said it wasn't a near-term thing, more of an avenue being explored. So maybe it's true, maybe it's not, but the fact that people were talking about it, that was enough to push the big three US indices into the red. The Nasdaq the hardest hit with a 1-point mumble, I think 1.13% decline. European indices, just for a bit of contrast, they closed before this delisting story hit the wires, and they finished somewhere between 0.5% and 1% higher. Yeah. So Chinese markets, they essentially only have today to deal with this rumor. They're shutting up shop for a week of national holidays starting tomorrow, and then just after that, US-China trade negotiations are due to recommence. This sounds like a first-hand thing, so we'll talk about that more there. Anyway, bit of turmoil in equities. Commodities, they were all over the show. Industrial metals higher, oil and gold dipped. Currencies, they seem broadly immune to the rumour factory output. Not really a lot going on there. The Kiwi spent Friday night as it spent Friday day, wobbling around the 63 cent mark. The pound, that took a bit of a dusting, more Brexit concerns, just the usual. I reckon that's probably about enough. What feels like a very early Monday morning. Happy end of September. Ka kite.